So I'm hosting an Easter dinner here at my house, the first one, and Liz Bushong is kind enough to come and save the day and give me some great ideas. Liz, thank you so much for coming, and happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you and all of you.
And so you have some great ideas. You brought this beautiful candle and this beautiful tablecloth as kind of an inspiration for colors for what we're going to be making.
Yes, everybody has Easter, their favorite Easter tablecloth. So I have mine, and it has a lot of pink and green and different colors,
bright colors,
paisleys, which is an all-over good design. And then I have this pink and white striped candle that I absolutely love. It's really pretty. That goes with this cute little candlestick. So this could give you inspiration. So speaking of inspiration, for an appetizer, we were thinking about spring and nests.
Yes.
So birds are building their nests, so why not do a pesto and cheese, goat cheese, cream cheese, pesto bird nest.
Ooh, I love that. And you were mentioning fresh herbs in it as well, right?
Yes, and you could take fresh thyme sprigs and weave it around the nest.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I love when something tastes good and then looks good too.
Well, presentation is king.
Yes.
So you have to really make it look pretty. And with assorted crackers, it would be beautiful.
Oh, I love that.
And then speaking of bunnies as an inspiration, for a bread dish, we could do bunny buns.
I love that name.
I know, it's so fun. And what we would do is maybe a frozen roll, dinner roll.
Something easy.
A yeast dough that you would roll out and shape it into a bunny shape. And I can show you how to do that.
Okay, perfect. I love that.
I know it. And then for another inspiration, we're looking at all the pink and the white and the candle. I was thinking about maybe creating a cheesecake, a mini striped cheesecake, using these colors with the white and the pink, and even the same shape. So I have a silicone mold that we could make a cheesecake using that.
And everyone loves their mini individualized desserts as well.
And then to keep with the Easter theme and Easter baskets and Easter nests, we can make a little nest on the top
of the cheesecake.
On top of the cheesecake and put little eggs in there.
Oh, I love that.
I know.
Well, Liz, oh my gosh, it sounds so great. I'm so excited to get started on all your ideas. Thank you so much for coming and showing me how to do all this so I can make my Easter dinner a success. We will be back with more Party in a Pinch.